In this video, we are going to start our discussion on dictionaries. Dictionaries are associative data types, meaning we are going to associate one value with another value. But our discussion starting point is going to be with list. So on my screen, you see two very simple lists. One of them is region, that has regions of the world, 4 different regions, and the other one is population in millions. All right. There is nothing wrong with these lists. There is nothing wrong with keeping your data in this format. However, a list, even though it's a very powerful data type, it has its own limitations. One of the limitations is that if I remove one of these items from here, ideally I want to remove it from here as well, right? Because now that population of 7.8 billion, it's for what country or for what region? I don't know that, right? So ideally I should be able to remove this one as well, but these lists are not connected to each other, and that's exactly what the dictionary is going to do for us. Dictionary is created with curly braces. So I'm going to create our very first dictionary, population dictionary. Dictionary is equal to, it's you created with curly braces. And our first one, we are going to call that keys. All right. First one is going to be USA. First key, its population is, let me move, 332, comma. Second one is India. It's 1400. Third one is China. It's 1420. And the last one is world with a population of 7,800. All right. Now, if I run this, this is going to go through. Very first thing we are going to do, we are going to check type of this, whatever we created. All right. We are going to use type function, type of population dictionary, and it is going to say dicta, standing for dictionary. All right. Next, we are going to look at length of this dictionary, length of population dictionary. So, we might get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or possibly we could get 4. So let's see what we are going to get, right? We are going to get 4 because dictionary stores values in association with each other. In other words, dictionary stores keys, values together, all right? This number 332 is not separate from USA. So they are stored together. They are seen as one item in this dictionary, all right? Or one, I don't want to use that word because that and we are going to use that name for a specific purpose later, but they are stored together, USA and 332, all right? There are not 8 data points here. There are 4 elements in this dictionary, and each element is a combination of a key, colon, value, all right? Now, how can we access values of a dictionary? We can access values of a dictionary or key values by, again, access characters or access brackets that we had, all right? Population, remember, population dictionary, remember, when we want to access members of a list or members of a tuple, we use these brackets. We are going to do the same thing. But this time, a dictionary is not indexed. You cannot access with indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's try it, and you are not going to get anything. Why? Because it says key error 0, all right? 0 that we have entered here, it's not part of the keys here. What is key? Key, these values that I have, USA, India, China, and world, the ones that comes before colon. And the ones that come after colon, those are values, all right? When I want to access a dictionary's the value in a dictionary, I'm going to use its key as a key, all right? So population dictionary for India, all right? Tell me what is the population of India. It is going to say 1.4 million or 1400 in this case. Okay. So far, if you have followed me so far, this is among the most important parts of dictionary. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to go into more details of dictionary, but this is the base that we are going to start with.